Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Checkpoint Security detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Checkpoint Security dashboard. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface. Navigate to the top menu and select the Security Policies tab. Here, you can view existing policies. To create a new security policy, click on the New Policy button. Choose the type of policy you wish to create. Define the source and destination addresses for your policy. Select the desired services and applications to protect. Set the action for the policy, such as accept or drop. If needed, add any specific users or groups to the policy. Review your policy settings carefully before saving. Once reviewed, click the Save button. To implement the policy, navigate back to the main dashboard. Go to the Policy menu and select Install Policy. Choose the appropriate gateway for installation. Click on Install. Monitor the installation process for any errors. After successful installation, return to the dashboard to check policy status. Next, access the Logs section to monitor traffic flow. Review logs for any blocked or allowed connections. Adjust your policies based on the insights gained from logs. For further configuration, explore the threat prevention settings. Enable features such as intrusion prevention and anti-bot protection. Set the frequency of security updates in the Updates section. Regularly review and update your policies to address new threats. Engage with community forums for tips and best practices. Finalizing these steps ensures robust security for your network. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.